Hi YouTubers! This video is about how to make an ASCII banner in Terminal. For this we need to install an app called Figlet. Open Terminal, and follow the command as following. Once installation is complete, we need to edit ASCII file to show the banner every time you open Terminal. Replace GreyCode with your text. It will show your ASCII text banner every time you open Terminal. Save the file, and restart Terminal. Now we have your ASCII banner displayed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and stay tuned for more tutorial.